Hi, Polly here with Cut at Home. Today I'm working on a scrapbooking layout, and I'm doing a layout of my granddaughter's Easter. I think that scrapbooking is all about the pictures. I'm using Echo Park Dots and Stripes paper for my layout, and I'm going to try to get as many pictures on my layout as I can. But I also am using a technique with an embossing folder and paper. These are Easter eggs that are going to be going on my layout. I've ran them through my Big Shot, and I've used a Derice dot folder. And if you use a cardstock that has a white core, you can sand them to expose the white core, and that's what I'm going to do here for my layout. And I'm going to do this to each one of the eggs that I cut out. It's just a little fun look, another look you can get from embossing folders. And you can take, they have cloths that'll pick up the paper dust, or you can just use a paper towel. But once you sand them, they turn out like that. So I'm going to go ahead and sand the rest of my eggs. So I have all my eggs sanded, and I'm ready to work on my layout. I did cut out some pieces on the silhouette. I cut the eggs out on the silhouette. I cut these two pieces, which are for my second page of my layout, and I'm going to adhere them to this page, my second page. I'm using different size dots. My granddaughter's dress was dotted, so this looks really cute together. And I'm going to go ahead and adhere these to the paper. So I have adhered these two pieces to my page. I'm going to border my pictures on the very edge of this page. So I'm going to have a picture here, a picture here, picture here, and a picture here. I'm going to run some washi tape along here for a border, and I'm also going to have a picture here, but a washi tape will run along here, and I'm going to add some of these little dimensional dots on those little dots for some added interest. So this is my second page in my layout, and as you can see, I have a lot of photos, but that's what I wanted, because to me that's what scrapbooking is about, is keeping your memories, keeping your photos. I'm going to have less pictures on my first page, but I just wanted to show you how you can add interest and still use a lot of photos. I have the egg here that I made. I used the Graphic 45 journaling tag here, and I added the little gems here. So for my first page, this is the main page, I'm using less pictures, and I cut a background on the silhouette. I also cut this little header that I'm going to use, this border on the silhouette, and I'm going to use these Echo Park stickers that come in the Hippity Hoppity collection. It's a mini theme collection that you can purchase here at Cut at Home. I'm going to use that for the title, the Easter. I am going to adhere everything And I've used 3 of the eggs that I sanded for my layout. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere everything down now. So I glued the base down. I adhered this down. And I never glue anything down till after I have my placement as far as my photos, because I have stuff under and over things, so I'll kind of go back in and figure out where I want everything, and then I'll adhere it. And now I'll go back and glue down the pictures and the tag. And then I'll add the eggs, and I'm going to add the Easter up here. I did add some washi tape here, so I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of this together. So I adhered everything down, and I used some of the extra stickers from the set. And here is how the first page came out. So this is the first page. It'll be a 2 layout spread. Or, I'm sorry, a 2-page spread. And there's the second page. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Until next time, thanks and happy scrapping.